about all the properties of acids and bases. In this video, I will explain you what is meant by pH of solution and what is the use of it. Actually, in the previous things, whatever types of indicators we had discussed, all those indicators will only help us to identify whether the substance is acidic, basic or neutral. No indicator was telling us whether the acid is strong acid or weak acid, or the base is strong base or weak base. Now to find the strength of the solution, whether the acid is strong, moderately or weak acid, or the base is weak or strong, we find the pH of the solution. Okay, so what is meant by pH here? pH means the P stands for potence. Potence means power. And the H stands for hydrogen ions concentration of the solution. So what is meant by pH of the solution? The pH can be said as power of hydrogen, but in the definition you will write it is the negative exponent of 10 to which it must be raised in order to express hydrogen ion concentration of the solution. क्योंकि हमने पढ़ा है that the substance which produces H+ ion would be considered as acid. तो जितने ज़्यादा H+ ions होंगे that will be more stronger acid, and if it will be less that will be weak acid. ठीक है? So here I will explain you about the pH. You can see here the pH stands for potence of power, or we can say the power of hydrogen can be said as pH. ठीक है? The pH can be written, you can see here the negative exponent. Negative exponent का मतलब है 10 के पावर में आने वाली negative value. The negative exponent of 10 to which it must be raised in order to express hydrogen ion concentration of the solution. That is called pH. That means अगर 10 के पावर में value दी है -6, that means its pH is 6. If the value is given 10 to the power -9, that means the pH is 9, like this. ठीक है? No power will be taken and pH. We will write the simple value of pH, that whatever power will be given in the 10 to the power, वो उस substance का pH होगा. Now, for understanding the pH more, the Sorensen was the scientist who has given a pH scale. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो, this is the pH scale that has value from 0 to 14. Yes, that has value from 0 to 14. If the substance has pH equal to 7, then the substance would be neutral. ठीक है? If its pH is less than 7, then it is acidic, and if it is more than 7, then it will be basic. Okay? So now we can understand that how the pH help us to understand strong and weak acid. Now you can see if the pH of the substance is between 0 to 2, that would be considered as strong acid. If it will be between 2.1 to 5, that would be considered as moderately strong acid. And if the pH is between 5.1 to 6.9, then it would be considered as weak acid. ठीक है? If the pH is 7, then it will be neutral. अब आगे जाएंगे हम 7 के, तो if between 7 to 10, then it is weak base. 10 to 12, then it is moderately strong base. And if it is 12.1 to 14, that is a strong base. Now the question is that no solution can tell us the value of the pH, then what kind of substance can be used to find the pH of the solution? So to find the pH of solution, we use another type of indicator which is known as universal indicator. Universal indicator is a mixture of several dyes. ये कई सारे केमिकल्स को, कई सारी डाइस को मिक्स करके बनाया जाता है, which gives different color with various range of pH. That means अलग-अलग pH वाले solution पे अलग-अलग color provide करता है. That help us to find out the pH of the solution. Universal indicator की bottle पे ही एक pH chart बना होता है with the various colors. अब आपको हमने दो सॉल्यूशंस दिए, एक कंसंट्रेटेड HCl और एक वीक एसिड दैट इज एसिटिक एसिड. ठीक है, आपने दोनों में दो दो ड्रॉप यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर्स की डाली, then you will observe that one is giving dark red color and another one is giving orangish yellow color, ठीक है. So the substance which is giving red color, उसका pH कहाँ होगा? Between 0 to 2 and that would be considered as strong acid. And the substance which is giving yellowish orange color, उसका pH होगा between 3 to 5, that will be moderately strong acid. ठीक है. Now what kind of color range would be observed by adding universal indicator? You will see the color ranges are shown as Vigor. That means if green color is coming, that solution is neutral. If it is giving any blue shade, violet, indigo, blue or any type of blue shade, that substance is basic. If it is giving any color range like yellow, yellowish orange, orange, pink, pinkish red, dark red, that would be considered as acidic. So by adding universal indicator, we find the color. फिर उस कलर को हम मैच करेंगे उस पीएच चार्ट से और उस कलर के सामने जो भी पीएच लिखा होगा that we will note it down, and when we will understand the pH, by this pH chart we will come to know about the strength of the solution, whether the acid or base is strong or weak. So this pH of the solution actually help us to find the strength of the solution. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या लर्न करना है? The definition and this value, that if the pH is, what is the definition? The negative exponent of 10 to which it must be raised in order to express hydrogen ion concentration of the solution. ठीक है. Then if the pH is equal to 7, that is neutral, less than 7 acidic, more than 7 basic. ठीक है. Lesser the pH, more the hydrogen ion concentration. It is inversely proportional. अगर pH कम है, that means the concentration of hydrogen ion would be more. If the pH is more, that means the concentration of H plus ion will be less. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका pH. Now some everyday examples of pH in our daily life. pH हमारे लाइफ से कहाँ रिलेट करता है? ठीक है, तो the first example of pH is pH and our digestive system. आप सबने पढ़ा होगा न्यूट्रिशन चैप्टर में that our stomach contain acid, that is HCl. HCl is a mineral acid. अभी हमने previously चैप्टर्स में पढ़ा था स्टार्टिंग में that HCl is a strong mineral acid. ठीक है, so the question is कि अगर इतना strong acid हमारे स्टमक में है तो हमारी स्टमक वॉल कोरोड क्यों नहीं हो रही? क्योंकि हमारे स्टमक वॉल के अंदर म्यूकस होता है which do not allow that acid to come in direct contact with the stomach wall and hence the stomach wall cannot be corroded. But what is the use of that HCl? The HCl which is present in our stomach, इसका pH होता है between 1.2 to 1.4. That means it is strong enough, but that is required to maintain acid in the stomach, acidic medium in the stomach that helps in the better digestion. ठीक है? When you eat too much of junk food, oily food, spicy food, in that case आपके stomach में the amount of acid increases. ठीक है, that causes indigestion problem in your stomach, that is called acidity. That is called acidity. ठीक है, if we feel acidity, then we used to consider Eno, Daiichi, these all types of medicines. These medicines are called antacid. Antacid, that means anti-acid, जो acid के against काम करे. ठीक है, इन antacid tablets में, syrups में मिक्स होता है मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशियम, दैट इज मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड which is a mild base. That mild base neutralizes the excess acid of your stomach and you will feel relief in the digestion or in the stomach disorders. ठीक है, ये तो हो गया to maintain the pH of your digestive system. Next is pH and acid rain. हम सबने पढ़ा है previous classes में what is acid rain? That when acidic gases present in the atmosphere can mix with water that comes to the earth in the form of acid and causes acid rain. Yes, actually the acid rain has pH of 5.5, that means slightly acidic. When that acid rain water comes to the river, then it makes that river water acidic. That can affect the aquatic life, fishes, aquatic plants, and these cannot be able to survive. In that case, we add small amount. Villages वगैरह में जो rivers होती है ना, they add some amount of tuna, that is quicklime in water, या फिर calcium carbonate in water, that can make that water neutral and the water and then aquatic life can be prevented. ठीक है? Another thing is the pH and plants. हम सब ने पढ़ा है, आपने 9th में भी पढ़ा था फर्स्ट चैप्टर में क्रॉप इम्प्रूवमेंट में, दैट फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट ऑलवेज न्यूट्रल सॉइल इज बेटर. लेकिन जब हम उस सॉइल में प्लांट्स की ग्रोथ को इंक्रीज करने के लिए we use excessive fertilizers in it that can make the soil acidic or basic. अब प्लांट के लिए ना एसिडिक सॉइल अच्छी है ना बेसिक, हमें न्यूट्रल सॉइल चाहिए. So what the farmers do, they take the sample of soil and go to the agricultural lab where they check that soil and tell the farmer that your soil is acidic or basic. If it is acidic, then we can take that quicklime again, उसका powder लेके हम fields में sprinkle कर देते हैं, that neutralizes the excess acid and make the soil neutral. अगर वो soil basic है, then we use gypsum powder. Gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate CaSO4.2H2O. ठीक है? That is the acidic salt. उस salt को हम sprinkle कर देते हैं field में. That can neutralizes the excess base present in the soil and make the soil neutral. ठीक है? So like this, the pH of the soil should be maintained for the better growth of the plant. Next आता है pH and self defense of animals and plants. Self defense में कहा, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कोई भी मधुमक्खी के छत्ते को छूता है तो उसको bees sting on their skin. Why? Because they know that somebody is getting harm to them and they try to prevent themselves. तो to prevent, क्योंकि उनके prevention के लिए तो कोई नहीं आ रहा था. Humans are the biggest enemy of all the animals, no? So they try to prevent themselves by sting on our skin. जैसे ही वो बीज हमारी बॉडी में स्टिंग करते हैं, दे इंजेक्ट फॉर्मिक एसिड इन आवर बॉडी, और जैसे ही वो फॉर्मिक एसिड हमारी बॉडी में जाता है, वी फील इरिटेशन, इचिंग, रेडनेस. ठीक है? दैट can be a problem. In that case, you can take small amount of baking soda, rub in that affected area quickly, and then you will feel relaxed. Why? Because baking soda is basic in nature. When it comes in your contact with that excess acid, it neutralizes the excess acid of your body, and then you feel relaxed. Same with the red ant. That red ant also is staying formic acid in our body, and if you will inject any type of basic thing, whether it is soap, whether it is baking soda, you will feel immediately relaxed. इसी तरह children, a kind of jungly plant होता है, एक white plant can be found in the forest, that is nettle plant. निडल प्लांट की जो लीव्स होती है, दैट इज निडल लाइन, बहुत पतली पतली चुभने वाली. अगर आप उसको छूते हो तो देन दैट आल्सो स्टिंग्स सम एसिड इन योर बॉडी, एंड दैट इज आल्सो टाइप ऑफ फॉर्मिक एसिड. ठीक है? लेकिन नेचर इज इटसेल्फ इज अ हीलर. जहां पे भी निडल प्लांट होगा, उसके आसपास यू विल सी अनदर प्लांट दैट इज कॉल्ड डॉग प्लांट, DOCK, डॉग प्लांट, एंड द लीव्स ऑफ डॉग प्लांट्स आर ब्रॉड एंड दैट इज बेसिक इन नेचर. तो अगर कभी आप वो प्लांट छू लो और आपको एसिड इंजेक्ट हो जाए, तो उस डॉग प्लांट की एक लीफ तोड़ के वहां पे रब कर लोगे, यू विल फील रिलैक्स. सो लाइक दिस द प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स यूज दिस pH level increase and decrease, or this acidic and basic character for their self defense. One more in the last example, that pH of our body. हमारे ह्यूमन ब्लड का जो pH होता है, हमारे फ्लूइड का जो pH होता है, that is between 7 to 7.6 or 7.8 something. That means it is slightly basic. किसी भी वजह से, किसी भी डिसऑर्डर की वजह से अगर ये pH लेवल डिस्टर्ब होता है, that can cause problem or some diseases in your body. That is why when you fall sick and you will not be able to recover by simple medicine, the doctors suggest you for the blood test. ठीक है? By that blood test we find out the problem, the pH level of our blood, and then accordingly the doctors can give you the medicine. So these are some everyday examples of pH in your daily life. ठीक है? Rest I will show you in the experiments in the lab. Till that time, thank you.